right. Good morning, everybody. ProTrader Mike, founder of Mojo Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful day, wonderful time since you last saw me live stream. Let's have an amazing trading day today. Why? Because we do that every single day. Yes, sir. Let's get right into it. Absolutely. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Let me head on over to the main screen and we check out the action. Boom. So right now I'm trading on the Ninja Trader, a couple different prop firms. Have my Dash Trader working in the background. I use the Super Dom for order entry, and we're all looking good. Yes. All right. So I am trading this one. I'm up 122. I'm going to get it to 200. Then I'm going to switch to the next one. Then I'm going to switch to the next one. So as soon as it goes here, we take an entry. We'll take an entry right here. We go short 1 micro. We'll go short between 5 to 20. Take another one. And when SQQ goes back to 81, 82, we'll sell one of them. Or if it goes to 74, 73, we'll get some more of them. We'll sell them back at 77, 78. Here it goes back in the 80s. So we'll put one down here. And we'll put one lower down here. I'm going to add 2. Add 2. Put 2 in the beginning. 1, 2 right here. Put 3 in the beginning. Come out of 3 and hold 3. So I lined it up in the Super Dom right here in the beginning. As soon as you come profitable, take 3 off and then hold the other 3. So watch, you go 1, 2, 3. And the other 3, we'll put one down here at 51 just for good. And it's rather, guys, Panda, rather than adding, I'm going to switch to another account and start a fresh one right there. So watch, new Super Dom. Done. So I started a new one right here. So this one just came out. Look, see, I got 3 left, and this one I got 1. See, so we take this one off. Done. 13 bucks. Take one off here. 19 bucks. 28 bucks. One more. Oh, didn't register. 31 bucks. It's not registering. So I added, just in case I'm up 40 bucks. Yeah, it did. Now I'm up. And done. 143 bucks. Done. And this one's 13. And it's back to 79. So I don't look at the chart. I trade the price and the movement of the market. And I stick one pawn out there to go into battle to tell the rest of the troops what to do. And that pawn went into battle, and then this account came up and had his back. That account did very good because he's part of the 300, and this guy, they're all warriors. You know what I mean, Panda? You ever see that movie 300?
Yes, sir.
So we're like the 300. You know what I mean? You could send one of the guy, like, what's the guy's name? Mefarius or something like name, like Roman name, you know? Some Roman name. Hey, Andrew, good morning. What's up, Dave? Good morning. Tristan, Dan. What's up, guys, on YouTube? So you want to see some cool trading? Let me see. I have my pictures. Discord. Show Your Profits. I have a channel in my Discord called Show Your Profits. And I wanted to show Mike. Lilo has these charts. Show a couple. Done. So Lilo, Apex sent out this big email and shit. Yeah, big email went out. You'll give me a 1 in the chat if my voice is coming in good. And I'm taking this guy right here at 13 bucks. Got him on 1. At 143, I got him on 1 too. Got them both on 1 now. Not copy trading, just trading 2 separately in the DOM. I'm going to hit market on each at the 71 maybe, 70. It went to 68, 69 earlier and then bounced right back. It was right here maybe. Yeah, and bounced right back to 86. So I'll take another one. 1, 2. That's good. Now, yeah, what's that guy's name on 300? Famous. So trading's been real good. So look, I'm gonna take one off, take another one off. Done. See that? 76. So I'll do a stop on these now. Watch. So I'll come up here and at $1, I'll put it in. And this one here at $1, I'll put it in. So I either make $1 or if that shit runs, let that baby go. You know what I'm saying? It goes 76. It's a signal at 76, the 1158 in the level 2. See it, Panda? Look, they're going after it.
Yep, I'll see it.
Right there. There it is, 1105. Signal, getting a rebate right there. Right there, going higher. Nasdaq's going lower. Watch. Told you, watch. That's what I teach. This is the leading indicator telling you which direction the bar is heading on the Nasdaq futures, which I'm trading. See? It's called rebate trading. This is how the institutions move the market, and that's the Nasdaq, and I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. It goes tick for tick. SQQ rises 1 penny. I'll go from $10 to $20 in profit. It goes the other way, I lose $10. If I was in the minis, it would be $100.
That is so awesome. So much awesome. It couldn't be awesomer. Do yourself a favor. Press it again.
All right. See, I told you 77, 78. I told you. See? Told you. Look, cross market. They want it so bad, it's called a cross market. See, 77, 78, 79. Told you. Close. Great trade. Great trades, guys. I don't wait. That hit my target. Done. Do it again. Comes back down to 74, 73. We do it again. There's no indicator I need to buy. There's no line or flag I need to wave. I don't need to wave a fucking flag with a bear on it or a flag with a bull on it.
Awesome.
I just take my Hulk and I go roar. And then I take Mikey Cheesecake right here. And Mikey Cheesecake says, dude, average in, buy more, DCA. You're a fucking gambler. And this guy says, no, Mojo, you're solid as a rock. Stay in control. 1 to 5 micros. Little trades add up. Mikey Cheesecake, you're old school loser. I like Mr. Super Guy instead. That's what I do. That's what I do. You see this? And then I'll show you my results. Look. I bring this to the poker table. I spin it in front of me when I have hands and shit. So you want to play against me? Watch that. I bet. I'll raise you 500. I raise you 500. What do you do? What are you doing? I raise you 500. I raise you. Look at my ball. I'm hypnotizing you. Ooh. Look at that. That's nice, right? That's my spinning ball. Now, we shoot over to the Mojo room. And I'm going to show you my results for my trades. So show your profits. Oh, coming into a trade maybe. There's a lot of good ones in here. Tabby Schnabby, look at you yesterday. Holy crapola. Yesterday you made $1,403. Oh my God. Press, you made $3,000 in 1966. Damn. Holy shit. You made $3,300 yesterday on an Apex eval, Tabby?
Yes, it was a record for me.
Holy shit.
Thank you, Mike, for everything.
Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Here's my results from my PA accounts trading with Leela. $200 is the red on the loser. My average day is $200 on the win. One day, my biggest was 600. Another day, 600. Another day, 400. So on 35 days, just from making $200 average across the board, I'm at 54,929 in payout mode at $55,000 in 35 days. See? I'm in. One and another one, guys. Entered short. Now the next one, look. This account, 30 days, never a losing day, average 200 across the board. One day was big, but big deal. At 54,153, trading 30 days with not one losing day. The next one is 9 days. I lost $200. I've made 200 across the board. One day was 800. In 9 days, it's at 252,146. The next one is 5 days, never a losing day, average 200 across the board. One day was 600. I'm at 251,000, adding 266. Next one is 11 days, one losing day of $200. Every other day, $300 across the board. I'm at 254,286 in 11 trading days. The next one is 15 days. I've averaged 300 to 400 across the board, no losing days. My account is at 255,671 in 15 trading days. The next one is at 54,009. Oh, that was the first one with the 2 days. So those are my accounts right there. 6 of them. Beautiful, right? Did I show this one?
Good job.
Yep. Never a losing day. Never a losing day. Coming out of 3 in the beginning and holding the other 3 right here. 1, 2, and 3. And that's how you trade. That's how you trade. What time is it? 9:16. Trader HCH, what's up, dude? Nice to see you, boss. What's up, Somesh? You want a giveaway, don't you? I bet you do. Yeah, I bet you do. Yo, my friend I played golf yesterday. My friend told me that PW mentioned me on his show yesterday, but I couldn't find it. He said that he did, but I couldn't find it. He said he mentioned me and Lola, but I couldn't find it. See, Panda, you got to be patient and wait, because if you do it here and then it goes to 66, 67, you'll lose too much rather than waiting for 66, 67 and then getting it back here at 69 for break even.
Makes sense.
They're cross marketing, and I'll take 2. 1, 2. I'll go to 10, 9, 10. Coming out of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right in the beginning, and holding 5. Maybe I'll have to trade out of this one in a loss. You think? I doubt it with the micros. I can go to 20. But I don't want to. It goes 70, 71, I'm out. It'll take the 5. There it goes, 70. There it is, it's right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. Look, I'll put a pawn out, 1 right there. CBT took it, so they're taking it. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, 5. That's how you got to accept it's not a good trade. Timing was off. You have to accept that. I want to trade in the green, not in the red. Going back to 10. My Discord, there's an application you have to process, you have to join. So unless you answer me back in there, you can't really join it unless you become a member of my team and you take my course and you let me coach you. Otherwise, it's a private tournament. No need to come in my foursome if you are affiliated with another group or you don't play. You know, we're playing a scramble and you want to play stroke play, it ain't going to work. Got to play what we play.
Mojo way.
The Mojo way or no way. Be patient. We'll get out of this bad trade and trade where it is. It's only $100. $9.20. They're cross market. That's called a cross market. When the bid and the ask is the same exact price, it's called a cross market, like a tug of war. Which way are they pulling it? They want to pull it higher, it looks like. And that's what they did. I'm coming out of one. Coming out of another one. Coming out of another one. See, Panda? Even now. Look, 7 of them. I came out of... Let me cancel that one. I'm going back to 10. 1, 2, 3. 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here in the beginning. They're taking them. Here it goes. Right here. It's right on me. Put a pawn out right there. They took them. Come on. Cross marketing again. See the cross market with the PSX? That's the Pacific Stock Exchange. They just took him. Here it comes. They just took it. Yes, sir. 6 left. Yes, sir. 5 left. 4 left. 3 left. My other one, I have 9 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming out of another one. That's how you take a losing trade and you don't lose on it. You get the fuck out of it. Whether it's $3, $5, or lose $10. You see, Panda? So that little tiny move down, I caught that wick on that candle. Now it's, if I didn't do that, now I can add back.
I saw that.
Now I can go back and add 3 or 4 more and get back to 10. Make it my bitch. See? Now I come in 1, 2, 3, 4, add 2. Now I have 7 going through that line. Watch, 1, 2, 3, add 2. Now I have 8 going through that little line. As soon as I place the line in, I add. So when it goes through it, it's right on top of it. It replaces what I had. So instead of having 5 going through it and having 2 left, I have 5, it goes through it, and I have 5 left. Follow? Did you follow that?
Yes.
Okay. Now it's at 66. If I didn't come out of it before, I frickin' would have been fucked up. Look, now I can go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let them take it. Who knew? You can't tell me when it's going to turn, when the indicator is going to be there, when the thing, you're either going to take a win or a loss, dude. It's either going to go rocketing in your favor or not. You can always trade every single candle. It doesn't make a difference. Doesn't make it, either going to win a lot, you're either going to lose a little bit or win a little bit. That's about it. Those are the choices. Those are the choices. This thing was at 86. It's at 66. That's a 20-cent stop. They're taking the stops here. It's going right back up. Watch. It's a gift. 22.11 was the low of the day. 07 to 12 stopping station. Here it comes. Putting 1 here. Here it comes. 2. They're taking it. I just took it. All right, rip those and give me a runner. Come on. Rip me. Let's go. 49.50. There you go. There you go. 200. Oh, yeah, my thing's frozen. Look. But it registered the orders. It registered them. I see it registered. If I would have over-clicked, I knew it registered them. See, even though it had 8 of them, I clicked it 5, 6 times. So I knew it. Even though it was in limbo, I knew the order was in there. You see how I did that? Beautiful, right?
That's awesome!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody else would have kept on clicking and all those orders would have been registered. You would have been fucked right now. That's mastery. That's fucking feeling the wind on the shot and shit. I check the wind.
The market whisperer.
Yep. All right, I'm coming out, guys. Close. 171. Closed. 91. That's how you take a losing trade, turn it into a winner. Thank you, Mojo.
Thank you, Mojo.
Here comes the money.
Here come the money. Money, 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 money.
Told ya. Told ya.
You want to see what I've already done my Apex accounts for the day. So I'm already done. If I would be, I love Apex. I do. But I'm already done for the day. Let's see what I do with my Apex Aruna. I didn't take a picture. I'm not going to do a trade. Hold on a second. 72, I'm in. I'm in. See? It's going to go to 80. It's going to go to 80. And then go test the high at 89. Going to go to 80. We can go test the high at 89. I'm in another one up here, and I'm in another one up here if it goes there. All right, I'm in another one. I'm in another one. I got two. I got two. Here we go, baby. 75, 76, 77. Let's go. Here, 75. Here it is. Watch. 75. 75. 75. 75. 75. 75. Oh, it went 71. Look, 70. Taking another one. 1, 2. Look at that. Holy shit. Holy mama. Taking another one and another one. Got 5. Lined up 2. Here it comes. Here it comes. Taking it. Taking it. Rip it. Rip it. There it is. Rip that one. Done. Took them. Took them. One more. Put it down here. Adding back what they took. Putting it back in. 2. Let's go, baby. Adding. 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 That's what I did. Went to 10, taking 3 off in the beginning. Come on, 71, 72. Let's go. There it comes, 71. Taking 3 off in the beginning, holding 7. Taking 3 off right there. Lowers my cost basis. Done. Now I got 7. All I got to make is $200 per account, boys. That's it. Got 5. Takes those 2. There it is. Taking those 2. Got 5 left. Holy shit. 2 left.
Yes,
1
sir.
left.
Yes, sir.
1 left. 75. Done. $253. Yes, sir. Done. 267. 263 and 267. I'm at 252, 360, and 251, 420. Thank you, Mojo. Told you it was going to 80, bitches. Let's fucking go. No one's as good as me. Come on, baby.
That's awesome. You hear awesome stuff.
Told you. Told you guys. Mauricio, I told you should join, dude. Mauricio. Hermes joined. Look what Hermes said. Okay? Same day I spoke to you. Look at this text the guy sends me yesterday. Look. Because I spoke to him just like you, boss. Look, boss. 84, homies. 84. Look at that. It says, only been through the Understanding Level 2 and Futures Masterclass 1, but I'm absolutely fucking loving the training so far. extremely grateful that I finally found you, man, after sitting through tons of bullshit out there. Yes, fucking sir. This was yesterday at 8:57, boss. That should have been you, Mauricio. Told you, dude. Look at that fucking red bar juice. Into rail grind at 97%. Holy effing shit. Told you it was going to go to high and new high. I didn't think it was going to go that fast, but it did. I'm out. Fuck. Fuck. Come on now. Don't do this shit to me. Oh, fucking come on. Anybody else got a runner in the Mojo room?
300 on
Quack, quack,
that.
quack, quack.
Quack, quack. You got some?
Quack, quack. I got out right when it did the spurge.
Fuck. Look, it's 99. It's going to go to Hines. 23 at Hines. Fuck! Fuck!
Told ya. Yes, sir. Told ya. Yes, sir.
It'll drop now and then re-Hines. Told you. I went long, now I'm going to re-Hines it. Told you. Fuck, dude, we missed that shit. Pissed.
Let's get the next one.
We got it. I made $36 on the re-Hinesing move. All right, let me get it off this account, put it on my other one. Hold on. Re-Hines move. Perfect dips, what I waited for. Told you. Holy shit, that was good. I'm good, dudes. Let's put it on another one here. $91, perfect. Taking another one, I got 3. I got 4. Boom. Taking off 2. Taking off another one. Got 1 runner. Got 9 on my other screen. So I got the 2 runners right there. One's 15, one's even. Putting one in the red. Taking it off in the green, taking it off in the green. Oh, I don't want to come out of all of them. Don't want to come out of all of them. All right, Hines, me again. Going back in, adding another. Adding another. Taking one off. And got a $30 micro runner right there. Made 349, 267, 253, and 100 so far. Cycling through one account at a time. 98, thanks. 98. All right, this account I am done. Close. New account trading. I got to stop here for the day on all the rest of these. The ones in payout, I am not trading until I get paid out. I got one at 54.9 and one at 54.1. I'm not touching them. 98. Adding. Oh, I missed the ad. Shit! Did you see that? I was going to add right for the fucking Heinz and I missed it. 23 Heinz and 23 Heinz and 2302. I'm out. I'm out right at the new high. Ready? I am fucking out. It didn't register me, but it did. Look, I clicked it once. It did. See that? I fucking see. I didn't click it again. The Ninja Trader is like, you click it and nothing happens, but I know something happened. And it did. I made 115.50 on that little one.
That was sweet.
You bet.
Yeah, you get filled right even before the price shows.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's acting a little funny today, but it's taking them off though.
It's taking them, Panda. Panda padding the PA. Told you, Maurice.
That's a $600 morning, Mikey.
It's a $600 morning for you, Panda. Great job, Dave, on getting out that 80. Job, Dan. Nice 2304 new high. Nice Heinz. Nice Heinz, boys. All right, I'm done for the day. So I'm going to cash in. I'm going to go to the window. And let me log Lilo 529. Enter. So here's my Lilos for the day.
Let's see if she'll be touching 11.
Maybe. Without me, it's doing it. So that's today with the Lilo Gilo. Eight. It's at 8. Panda 8. 2308. Look how good I did on my Apex today. That was nice, Panda Man.
Yeah, I like trading like that. There's 9, 10. Hello.
Yes, sir. Ripping my freaking hind. Look at that rail grind, boss.
Yeah, it's hanging in there pretty steady.
Look at this rail grind right here. Nice chair lift. Right up into rail grind at 96%. Beautiful. Every day that happens. Every fucking day. Every day. So let's wait for a little dipski and see what happens here, man. 2310 is the low one. Right off 69.9. It didn't even go to 60. Right off 70, that thing came right up back through.
Yep.
All right, so I'm done for the day on all of my Apex accounts too. So I'm done here. Done. Show profits. Done. All right, that was a done. 23.11. Great move, Mojos. It's the way to be short. That's the way to be short. 23.12. 13. Look at that, right to the 19, guys. Told you. Beauty, right? Right to 19 that went. That was beautiful. Easy trading day today. Look at these across the board. Look at those profits on my Apex across the board. From 473, I made 400, 800, 1600, 2000, 2500, 3000, 30, $4,000 today just on the Apex. $4,000 on Apex. Disconnect. Look at my bull knocks today. Bull knocks, I made $3,681. That was on an eval. The other ones, my masters were low. It was an eval I made. I'm like, dude, I know I did good on one of them other ones. Yes, sir. Great day, Mojos. You want to do a giveaway? Let's do one.
Sure, that sounds good.
Sure.
Let's do a giveaway. We'll do a one Apex account and one Lilo account. So we'll do two. YouTube giveaway. You ready? Here we go, baby. You on YouTube? You better have commented. Here it is. YouTube comment picker. Oh, it's still moving. 15. All right, guys, watch this. So let's load the comments. Continue. So this is going to be a giveaway of one Apex 50K eval. Winner one. Confirm. Done. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner is, boom, Mauricio. No way. No way. Mauricio. Look at that shit, dude. You want to, yeah. No way. Mauricio. That's funny. That's funny. I'm posting it on my Twitter. On the show link. The show has how many people watching? How many? Come on. Contact me, DM for your at Apex Trader Funding giveaway win of a 50K eval. Nice job. Post. Done. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. Mauricio, look at you. Let's do another one. YouTube giveaway. So this one is going to be for a Lilo 50K eval. Let's go. Who wins this one? What's it at? 20. It's at 20. Still in rail grind. Still in rail grind. We went to 20. Look at that. Right to 20. From 11 through 23. Mojo's the greatest. I am the greatest. I don't care. I just know what I'm doing. And I do the same thing every fucking day. Here we go. Who won that one? So Mesh! You freaking crazy man. Look at you go, boy. So Mesh. Guy's going to have 20 freaking accounts just for my giveaways. Look at you go, kid. At Lilu, winner. 50K eval. Congrats. Thanks for watching. Yes, job, Somash. Good job, dude. That's funny. That's funny. All right, Somash. 23 on the fucking SQQ. Look at that. Look at this. Mojo's done for the day. Look at that. Pa-ching. All across the board. I got to get 4 more accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I need 6 more accounts by tomorrow. 26. Still in rail grind. Who has one? Who's got the runners in the Mojo room? Tabby? Abby? Schnabby? McCrabby?
Yes, I do.
You do?
Just one.
Tell me about it.
Atta girl.
I'm listening. Tell me about your runner.
$80.
$80 micro runner?
I have a few.
Now, if I would have told you when you join, listen, you'll join Mojo day trading. You know, the goal would be nice to make $80. I'll show you how to do that on a micro, not a mini. You'd be like, no fucking way. You're a scam. You're telling me shit, and I will not join you because of that, right?
So I just trusted you because you're really a great trader.
Yeah, but everyone thinks I'm a scam. Mojo's a scam.
No, not the ones who watch you trade. Congratulations, Abby. Good job.
Who is that? Is that Connie?
It's TC.
Teresa. What's
I'm
up?
back.
What's up, baby? She's back. Teresa Magisa in the house. You see? Ladies out there. You see? You can come make it with the Mojo. I know how to handle the lady traders. Tabby, Abby, Teresa, Connie, all my ladies. Got Panda, Yashar, ProTrader Lanth, Dean. Look at that, 34 guys, 99% rail grind. Look at that. You want to do some edumacation?
That's a beautiful chart.
That's a beautiful chart. So let me show you some edumacation. There's the Mojo Discord. Let's pop that baby in the Discord. Let's come here to Futures Course, and let's pop that baby in here. So now watch. Check it out. This is today at 9:40 a.m. You got your movement higher into Heinz 23 even number. So you're getting it right under, shorting MNQ as it chair lifts. You ever been skiing? Let me show you what the rail grind is. Search rail grind. Enter. Rail grind right here. He's talking about it. Segued into rail grind, rail grind. Look at the rail grind, Mojos, rail grind, 27. Rail grind city, rail grinding, full sequence with the rail grind. Biggest mini hinds ever at 850, rail grinding at 862. Rail grinding on the 2 minute, rail grinding, rail grinding, rail grinding. Rail grinding, next page. Rail grind, back in 2023, 2 years ago. Kelton, a rail grind, rail grind. Amazing. It's in the main chat. Let me show you what the rail grind is. Rail grind. It was in this channel. Let me upload it into my, oh, it's a buy now. Right here, stopping station. Get it. If you want to get into a trade right now, go ahead. Futures course. Upload file. All right. Told you to get in. Hope you listened. Rail grind. Here's the rail grind. Done. Upload. Rail grind. Rail grind. And I'm going to upload the WoW trade play too. Another trade. Get back in right now. Go ahead. Here's the shining trade play. Told you to get back in. I'm going to pass an evaluation for you. Okay? Watch. I'll do a 50K eval and I'll pass it. Let me log in. So right here is the rail grind. See how the chart goes higher? Once the trade gets above the second green bar, the stochastics line will move to 80% into AKA rail grind. Keep the profits going until the red line crosses back under 80% on the stochastic indication. The trade play is over. And you can see he's rail grinding on the rail. You take a chair lift higher. So here's the chair lift. You could see the chair lift as it's going higher. See, and then you get up into the 80% and you ride it. And here's today's. Look at that beautiful one. Beautiful, right? Here's yesterday. Look at that, 100% on the rail grind. Chair lifting higher, right into rail. Look at this one. Chair lifting higher, right into rail grind. This was on 527. Chair lifting higher, right through $24 into 24.11 to 19, higher. Same thing again here. The day earlier, through 25, 50 into 60, rail grinding higher, 91%. Same thing higher. Look how long this one is at 80. It went so long on the 5-minute chart with an hour. An hour. Look at this beautiful one. Also on the 2-minute went for a half an hour. Right through Heinz 25. Look at this one. Went through Heinz 24, touched 11 to 19. Chair lifted up at 90%. Same thing over and over. Here's again at 24.50. Going through 50, chair lifting up into rail grind. Same thing every time. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that one. Beautiful. Same thing through 24.50. Here's this one through $24. Look at that one. Beautiful. It's unbelievable, right? Unbelievable. That's the rail grind. The shining trade play. Oh, yeah. First, get sucked out for a stop loss. Watch 3 standard red bars that set a triangle, then 3 more larger red bars. See image number 1. This triggers the auto close trade play that is transformed into the shining with an extended rail grind. The second, start the entry on the first green bar high or look for the stock to move up into the spit phase, then move into the vomit phase, and then finally red room, murder phase. Keep it on the rail grind, aka the shining trade play. I teach that in the course. It's awesome. Let me log back in. Look at that move. Told you guys. Told you shit was a great trade. Told you. Nobody's better than the Mojo. Who nailed that one?
$250 on that, Mike, and still got a runner.
$250 and I still got a runner.
Awesome. Awesomeness. Oh, yeah. Pour it on. That's awesome sauce.
Nice. What's my best firm? Is my Apex, boss. They're my best. My longest. Yeah, man. Congratulations, Shomesh. Won. Who else won? You guys want me to pass an eval right now in 2 minutes? Done. Watch. Watch how fast I make 53,000 from 50 and pass an eval. Watch. It's $100,000 eval, so I got to make what? 4 or 5 grand? Watch how fast I make it. You ready? Watch. You ready? Watch. Watch how fast I pass this evaluation. Watch. So I think I can do 10 minis. Watch. You ready? So I have this super dom right here. And I have this super dom right here. You ready? Watch. Let's try this one first to pass. You ready? Here we go. You ready? Watch. Long, short. This one's up 1,000. One, taking 1, 2, 3, 4 off the table right here. Now this one's up 1,000. I made 700 on that one. Watch. Ready? Now I'm going to go. Oh, it's already doing it. So let's go watch this. MNQ, June, 80. Ask. It missed me, you fucking piece of shit. All right. 4 left. 3 left. One left. All right, look, I have MNQ now. Watch. Oh, no, it's gone on that one. Which one is that? Oh, it's this one. Patience. This one, I have a runner. right here. I got a runner of $300 running on this one. This one I've made $1,690 so far, $1,690, and this one I've made $1,000. Okay, watch. I'm gonna do it. Watch one more trade. Let's do this one, and then this one. I'm up 300 there. What am I up here? Nothing. So this one, I am up at 104,000. I'm almost past. I'm at 105,000. I just passed. At 106,000 is up what I passed. I think you got to make 6,000. I'll check when I'm done. I usually don't trade the 50s. But this one we close. I'm at 105,858. I have to get $300 more. Here we go. Watch. And there we go. So that's 105, 106. So I did it. 106,000 done. So 106,034. Oh, I have 2 left. Let's close that shit. Done. I way overdid. 106,080. Is that past the 100K, Abby?
You did it.
There
Awesome.
There you go. Done. Just past the 100K eval in 2 minutes. Want me to do another one? I got another one right underneath it. You want me to do another one?
Yeah, and I'll send you one of mine to do.
Okay. Watch, I'll do another one right now. Here we go. We'll do another one. All right, I made $457 in a second. So what I want to do is I want to move this one, which is this number. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's unbelievable. Missed a good one. Done. I made $700 doing nothing. 700.
You're still doing the MNQ, right?
Yeah, that's MNQ. I did 10 at a time. I'm going to switch to the NQ on another Super Dom so I don't rack up a lot of commissions. There's 40. MNQ, let's go 80. Done.
Got the mini highs going.
Done. Close. Yes. So I just made $3,600 3,936 on that move. I almost passed in one trade. I got to do one more trade and then that one will be passed. Give it 1 second. Look how long it's in the rail grind. It's still in there, guys. Still in there. Still in there. Just wait a second for it to move before I make another trade. What a great rail grind. It's at 46. I'm done for the day. It's been nice trading with you guys, as always. Nice teaching you what I do, as always. That's a long-ass rail grind.
Well, I learned something from your deadline.
Every day, my dear. Every day. It's way more than just a trading community that we have. Way more.
Yeah, I wish I could see like you see, Mike.
Yep.
And Panda, you also helped me a lot too. Thank you.
Anybody else get in
The
that?
room grows as you grow.
Yeah, I got in on that.
You did your job, boss. So I'm going to wrap it up for the day.
Yes, sir, that's 1100 for the morning. Fun trading with you, Mike.
It was fun.
Encyclopedia trading, that's what you are.
It's fun.
The way of the mojo.
Way of the mojo.
One question.
Yeah.
One question.
Yep.
Why the SQQ trades in the European markets, but they stop trading like at 10 o'clock or something, or 8 o'clock,
8 p.m.
right?
8 p.m.
8 p.m. Okay. I thought there was something wrong with mine because yours kept running.
All righty. I just passed another one. I'm at, let me see, position. Where's my position? I'm at 105,480. 400 more to go.
Holy moly.
Yep. 105,266. 10 left. I have 8 micros and 2 minis. So you could see I have 8 micros, and when you switch to minis, I got 2, up 600. So I'm going to take one of these off. I'm going to take 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm at 105. I have 1,000 more to go. Watch, I press the button, it puts me in the green. See that from the red? And then I line them up. Done. See him take them? 105, 300. Just made 300 there. Printing money. Printing money. Dave just passed the 50K eval. Good job, Dave. $105, $280.
Start doing finger exercises to get that dexterity to put
You
it
got to
in.
get that finger. You got to do finger exercise. Get that muscle going in that mouse finger. Press that button, baby. I heard what's his name spoke about me on his show yesterday and mentioned my name and Lola. Said maybe we have to get Rich and Lola in here. He said that. I didn't hear him. A friend of mine told me he said that.
Who was that?
You know, PW,
Oh.
PW.
Oh, okay.
So I got NQ, one runner up 600. I'm about to go past 106. Here we go. You ready? Close. So I just went to 105,839. I have 150 left. So I go to the minis, the micros, and let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right here. That's done. So I just passed 105,905. $100 left. I got 9. There we go. Take them. Done. 105,970. 30 left. $25 left. $25 left. $25 left. $25 left. And then I passed another one. 2 of them live, 106, made 6,000 each in 2 minutes each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rip that line. Let's go. Done. 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 Told you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over 106. Done. 106,076. Done for the day.
That is so awesome. So much awesome. It couldn't be awesomer. Do yourself a favor. Press it again. Awesome.
Yes, I agree with him.
Truly awesome.
So I'm on my 102nd payout with Apex. 21,400 is 2362 marked in the Mojo room. I'm on my 102nd payout with Apex. They just sent out this long email about going live or whatever. Maybe they'll move me live. I'm on my 8th payout of these certain accounts that I've been going for 75 days without losing. And yes, I can go a long time without losing.
Now, what are the benefits of going live?
I don't know. I don't like it. Yeah. Oh, there's no consistency rules, so you can make whatever you want. You can have daily payouts, and those are the benefits. So if you have a great day and you're up 1,000, you can make 5,000, and you can take it right out. There's no like consistency rule. You follow? You follow? Is there another giveaway? I don't know. Sniper
I
Zone.
think they just extended their sale to June 1st too.
Who did?
Apex.
Apex Aruno. All right, so I'm gonna be done with this. Maybe I'll pass. Maybe I'll get an Apex eval and pass it. I'll go buy one. They just extended it.
If you're gonna do that, hang on, I'll pull up one of mine and I'll pass it with you.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll stand in line for that one.
All right, let me go buy one. Let me go buy one. Reward myself. All right, you guys could. I'm loading up another Apex Aruno eval beyond crushing PAs that I've done for the day. Don't forget to use the Mojo code. Code Mojo, everybody. Let's pass one together. Here we go. 50K. I should just use the giveaway ones. I have so many of them, but I have to pay. I have to pay for them. I have to pay for them. I don't get no fucking special treatment. I got to fucking, man, when I pass, I got to pay $140 for the pass.
So you run an ATM on this or just wide open?
What do you mean? A
You
what?
don't use an ATM?
On an eval?
Yeah,
I'm wide open, boss.
okay.
Let's fucking roll. Combinations of micros first, and if you get into trouble, don't add the micros, switch to the minis and trade 4 or 5 minis. Forget about the micros, trade those profitable, then all of a sudden go back to the micros. It doesn't matter where they are because you just crushed it on the minis. Do you follow?
I'll see if I can.
Did you follow what I just said?
I didn't.
You're trading 2 separate accounts?
I'm trading the same account, but I'm using a shotgun combination with the mini in case. So I go with the micros. I go with the micros. I go 10, 20, 30. Rather than going from 30 to 100 micros or 70, which is a lot of commissions, I'll go right to the minis, which is no commission, and I'll trade those. I'll forget about, and I'll trade where it is, the minis, and I'll make a bunch of cash and grabs on 4 or 5 minis, make a shitload on that. Then all of a sudden, it doesn't matter what you're down on the micros. You go back, you trade right out of it, and you're up money.
I got to set up my NQ.
You just got to be able to switch right from the MNQ to the NQ in the instrument column.
So in one trade, you can switch instruments?
Correct. And you can have in one trade MNQ and ES if you wanted in one trade.
Okay.
You can open up ES. You can go long NQ and short ES if you want. Hedge it. One's going to win, one's going to lose. One will offset the other one. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can't change the accounts, but you can change instruments in one DOM.
Correct.
In one trade. Okay.
Yeah. It helps really nicely on the evals. Look at this shit still in rail grind. If I switch from the 2-minute to the 5-minute, it never came out. Look at that.
Yep.
Look at that. Never came out since freaking the open, dude. In an hour. 1 hour in rail grind. See that PW? Fucking rail grind city, boss. Look at that shit, boss. Told you. PW don't want me at the BDH. Wanted to charge me $50,000 to go there and shit. I'd be trading fucking like a killer. I trade every bar. I don't wait for a bar. I don't wait for the fish to come, dude. I fucking go get them. I dive right in and fucking go grab them. I got that ability, you know? I'm like Aquaman. I don't need to fish. Wave a flag and fish. I don't need to do that. I do it different. I dive right in. The fish jump right in the boat. All right, I loaded the new eval. Here we go. Let's pass this shit. This is an Apex eval. Let's go, Mojo. I'll go long and short. I'll ride them both ways. Watch. I can do that when I do this. Ready? We'll start long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's at under 21.4. I got to go back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to stay under 21.4. So I got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm better at doing it when it's above 21,400 than below it. So we're going to go stay short. So I got 29. Line them up. $400 is right here. It's $400. And I made the wrong move. I'm going to trade out of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the green, 25 left. Coming out of some. 18 left. 14 left. And they took that. Now I'm long 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I gotta stay short. Now I'm gonna go long. Now I'm gonna go short. Keeping it below 21.4. 21.402, 406, 408, adding. Coming down here, 21.400 is right there. They're clipping the 400s. Right there is 21.4. I'm right on top of it. Has the biggest number, 734. They just took it. 22 left. 18 left. 11 left. I'm at 50,400. 50,400. 2 left. 1 left. Gauge off the 1. I look at the P&L column. I'm up 15 bucks. That's all I do. Yo, guys, give me a like, and if you like the video with me live trading, give me at least a thumbs up and like my video. Come on now. My YouTube video, bro. I think I mentioned you in the beginning. I read your text to everybody that you sent me.
Awesome. Yes, good stuff, man.
Dude, the rail grind, which we've been in since 9:30, I switched to the 5-minute, has been unbelievable, dude. I just passed 2 100K evals with Lilo in 3 minutes. Watch that. And now I'm doing an Apex eval. I'm at 50,500. I've already made 500 bucks on that one. Look.
Awesome.
I've done this on all of my PAs. So this is one eval right here, 492, and the rest are all PAs.
Love it.
Like, unbelievable day.
Love it.
And I gave away a couple of Apex accounts. Got 9. Yeah, so that's it. That's what we do, guys. All right, let me just make sure I'm on the right one. So we got up 150. Let's line up a couple. I got 8 left. I'm at 50,600. I'll keep that right here. 50,600. Can it covers it. 63 coming out of 2. Got 2 left. My SBET right here. Look at SBET. SBET is 40 bucks. See this stock? I gave it out to my swing trade newsletter. So if you're a subscriber of my newsletter, let me show you. Here's the pick. Quantum computing is my #1 pick at $10. Quantum computing at 10. So QTUM is, oh no, that's 85. That's not the stock. QUBT. QTUM is also in here, but QUBT is $12. It was up $14.68 today is the high. I picked it at 10. My target's 11 to 19. Look at the next one. Sciata Mobile at $2.31. SYTA at $2.31. Look what this one went to. SYTA is at $4.45, so it's up 100%, but look what it went to. It went the other day to $8.86 from 2. From 2. That's my second pick, Sciata Mobile. Third pick is the QTUM at 84, is at 85, and IONQ at 34. These are all related to Elon Musk's supercomputer Colossus. So let's go to my swing newsletter, which I sent out on Monday. Where is it? Where is it? I usually keep it in my folder. I can't find my swing trade newsletter. Let's look in this folder. Well, I got WAP 2. Watch. I got 32, 36, 41, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 micros. Can't find my swing trade newsletter. Let me look in here. All right, I can't find my newsletter. I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm not even watching my fucking trade because I'm looking for the goddamn newsletter. All right, I'm gonna switch to the NQ. Watch. So instead of adding on the other one, watch. I got 5. That's $400. That's $200. There's another one. There's another one. Add. See? So you trade the minis. See what I'm doing? I just made all that shit back. See that with the minis? Highs 23.69. I got stopped out. That's it. That's it for me today, boys. I'm done. No more. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure.
Thanks, Mike.
Absolute pleasure.
Thanks, Mike.
You got it, my man. Peace. Thanks for
Thanks,
watching the
Mike.
show. You got it.
Enjoy.
Yep, absolutely.